HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. Here let's choose Sounds. Under Sounds you can find Do Not Disturb. As you can see, you can enable Do Not Disturb just by using this switcher. So let me do it. And as you may notice, there is an icon of Do Not Disturb. Right now I'm using alarms only, but I can change it to Don't Interrupt, or I can use Allow Priority Interruptions. So here you can define the priority interruptions. You can accept some calls and messages from some favorite contacts, from some true list, or from some other group of people. You can also handle here with repeat callers if you would like to. What's also really interesting, you can here use scheduled time. So you can enable the Do Not Disturb on exact time, for example on weekends, on weeknight, or you can set up some customized rules. So that's it, everything went well. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.